Today, in a collaboration with California Beef, we'll be doing one of my favorite cuts, the Bistro Filet. For this recipe, we'll only need a few ingredients. We have salt, pepper, a ranch seasoning from Spicology, and some pearl onions. Let's start with our grapeseed oil and give our meat a good massage. Next, we'll add our salt, pepper, and Spicology's Really Ranch. Give it a good massage and then add your pearl onions. Now take your sous vide bag and fold over the open end. You want it to be nice and clean when you do seal. Now add your steak and pearl onions to the bag. There was probably an easier way for me to do it. I just, Now vacuum seal your bag to the specifications of your own device. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, you can also do the water displacement method. Now we're going to put it into its bath at 60 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, 30 minutes. You can also see a cocktail being sous vide at the same time. Now you want to open your bag and drain out all the liquid along with the meat and onions. Now in our pan on medium-high heat, we will add about 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil and add our steak. We're going to allow it to cook for about 1.5 minutes on both sides. At this point, the meat is completely cooked. We're just cooking it in the pan to give it some nice crust and color. After you've gotten color on every side, let's pull it out and let it rest. Now, we're going to add about 2 cups of chicken stock or beef broth. Here I'm using a chicken stock. Scrape up all the good flavor crystals on the bottom, bring up to a boil, and then turn down to a simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now that most of our liquid is evaporated, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, turn the heat off, and stir it in until you get a beautiful sauce. Now that our meat has been resting for about 10 minutes, let's give it a slice. I'm going to plate this family style so everyone can enjoy. Now you can serve this with some pan-fried potatoes or some kale. And if you need a cocktail, if you click in that right-hand corner, you'll see a blueberry bourbon Manhattan.